There's the retraction of the first umbilical, T-minus 30 seconds and counting.
All
Auto sequence initiated.
launch.
Second umbilical now retracting.
Ignition.
We now have engine ignition.
Preliminary.
Turbo pumps and engines up to flight speed, now at full throttle.
Engine to maximum thrust.
We have liftoff. Dyson, Novitsky, and Vasilevskaya finally underway on a 2-day journey to the International Space Station.
All parameters are nominal.
Good roll, pitch, and yaw program. The Soyuz heading downrange, heading to the northeast from the Baikonur Cosmodrome.
20 seconds into the flight.
All thrusters are performing normally from the blockhouse in Baikonur.
Well, 30 seconds.
40 seconds into the flight. All rocket performance is declared nominal at this point.
The vehicle stabilization is performing nominally.
Good vehicle stabilization, good first stage performance.
50 seconds. The pressure in the manifolds is nominal. Everything is good.
Good engine performance.
60 seconds. Pitch, yaw, and roll are nominal.
Should be heading into the regime of maximum dynamic pressure a moment or two from now.
All parameters are of the booster are nominal. Everything is good on board. All is well.
Novitsky reporting everything is good on board. Good vehicle parameters at the 1-minute 40-second mark into the flight.
Parameters are nominal.
Passing through max Q.
Copy. Pitch, roll, and yaw are nominal.
Good vehicle parameters.
So the lateral boosters have
The Soyuz now at 28 statute miles in altitude, traveling about 3,300 miles an hour downrange from the Baikonur Cosmodrome at the 2-minute 25-second mark into the flight.
140 seconds into the flight. All parameters are nominal. All is good on board.
Good reports up to the crew from the blockhouse in Baikonur as we pass the 2-minute 40-second mark into the flight. This second stage engine will burn for 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Launch shroud jettison has now been confirmed.
170 seconds into the flight, the vehicle stabilization is nominal and the crew are feeling well. Copy.
This view inside, momentarily inside, saw Novitsky and Vasilevskaya.
Always good on board.
3.5 minutes into the flight, all reports are nominal from the blockhouse in Baikonur.
Into the flight is nominal. All is well on board. Copy, Kazbeki.
Four minutes into the flight, the second stage engine is performing normally. It will shut down at the 4-minute 37-second mark into the flight.
250 seconds.
Yaw, pitch, and roll reported in good shape. Good vehicle parameters, good stability.
270. Параметры системы управления ракетой-носителя в норме. 280. Шел гарантийный натов бака окислителя третьей ступени.
The third stage oxidizer tank has been pressurized.
Second stage has separated. We can.
And we have confirmation of second stage shutdown, third stage engine up and running. 5 minutes, 6 seconds into the flight. The third stage will burn for 4 minutes and 9 seconds in the final phase of the Soyuz MS-25's climb to its preliminary orbit.
The vehicle stabilization is nominal. All is well on board, and the crew are feeling well.
Ракетой-носителя в норме.
So far, so good at the 5.5 minute mark into the flight. The third stage engine is performing as advertised. About 3 minutes of powered flight remaining. Liftoff occurred on time at 7:36 and 10 seconds a.m. Central Time, 8:36 and 10 seconds a.m. Eastern Time. This third stage engine is providing about 67,000 pounds of thrust during its 4 minute burn to deliver the Soyuz to its preliminary orbit. The reports are all good from Novitsky, the Soyuz commander and the center seat of the Soyuz descent module. 6 minutes, 35 seconds into the flight. 2 minutes of powered flight remaining.
Seconds into the flight, the vehicle stabilization is performing nominally.
Полет нормальный.
Mark 7 minutes into the flight. Good reports continuing to come in from the blockhouse in Baikonur. Once the Soyuz separates from its third stage, control of its journey to the International Space Station will be in the hands of those flight controllers you're seeing in this balcony camera view from the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov outside of Moscow.
Thruster continues to fire.
Стабилизация изделия устойчивая.
7 minutes, 30 seconds into the flight.
150 seconds into the flight is nominal.
460. Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя.
1 minute of powered flight remaining. All of the Soyuz boosters' parameters are normal. Good engine performance so far. 8 minutes into the flight. The crew is feeling well on board, and all structural parameters of the vehicle are reported nominal. 30 seconds of powered flight remaining.
It's
500 into the flight.
8.5 minutes into the flight, the crew being told to prepare for third stage engine shutdown and spacecraft separation that we're standing by.
520 seconds into the flight. All parameters are nominal.
And we have third stage shutdown and third stage separation.
Separation is confirmed.
The command now will be given to deploy the Soyuz solar arrays. That now underway.
MCC Moscow.
And the solar arrays and navigational antennas have all been deployed. Perfect ride to orbit for Tracy Dyson, Oleg Novitsky, and Marina Vasilevskaya. The 2-day chase to catch up to the International Space Station now underway.
Kazbeki, MCC Moscow. Kazbeki, MCC Moscow. Kazbeki, MCC Moscow. How do you copy? If you can hear me, could you please go to page 35? Kazbeki, MCC Moscow. This is Kazbek. How do you copy? We copy you loud and clear. How do you copy us? I copy you loud and clear. Excellent. So the Cadeu repress has already deactivated. Yes, that's correct. And archive are open. And have you left the display sent? Yes, we have. And everything is nominal. Yes, that's right. On Tesla, we have the message 1548, the emergency of sector